Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about data area and also we will discuss about few commands that is related to the data area. So let's start with the very basic definition of data area. So data area is an object in which we store some data and then that data is accessed by the job running on the system. Okay, so you can assume that if we store some data in an object which can be changed multiple time as per the requirement, then and those information is useful for the jobs that we are running on the system. So at that time those jobs or those program can access directly those data from the data area, and they can also manipulate the program, and job can also manipulate those data in the data area. Okay, so there are mainly two types of data area: user defined data area or local data area. So in this session we will discuss about the user defined data area. So let's see, so how we will create the data area. So first of all you have to hit the command CRTDTAARA. So this is the command for creating the data area. Once this command is entered, you have to take F4. Then here you can give any name from which you want to create the data area. So here I'm creating data area 1 or data area. We will create data area 5, data area 5. Okay, and here we can put the library name which is Sharmit 1. Okay, now we have to put the type. So if you take F4 here, so there are four type mainly that we can use for create the data area. First is decimal, where we can store only the numeric values. Second is character, where we can store only the character values. And third is logical, which we can put in which we can put only zeros and ones. And last one is DDM. So DDM is for DDM is the type where we, if we use DDM type, then we can access this data area from some workstation or some different system. Okay, so if we are using this if we have created the data area with DDM star DDM, then we can access this data area from other remote machine also. Okay, remote. So if you want to access your data area from different machine or different remote machine, then you can use DDM. Otherwise you can use these three types. So for now we will create with the CHAR, which is character type data area. So after that you have to pass the length, like how much length will be there for your data area. So I am passing it as a 100, and below to that you can put decimal position if you are selecting the numeric value, but for now we are selecting characters, so it is not needed. And here in initial value you can put any initial data. So let's say we are writing text Sharmit. Okay, so this is the initial value I'm assigning to my data area, and here you can put your data area description. So let's say example of data area. Okay, so if I hit enter, then data area 5 will be created. So here you can see that data area 5 is created. So my data area name is data area 5 in library Sharmit 1. So how we will confirm that? To confirm that, you can take check the object for this data area, so which is work obj. Using this command we will check the object. So my object name is data area 5, which is in library Sharmit 1. So here you can see that data area is created, and the type of data area is star DTA ARA. Okay, so now we have created. Now next step, we will insert some data inside this. So as if you remember, we have already initialized few values in our data area. So we will try to add or modify those values. Okay, so for that you have to run the command CHGDTAARA, then take F4, and here you can put your data area name. So my data area name is data area 5, library Sharmit 1. Okay, now here you have to put the substring starting position, like from which position you want to change the string. So let's say from text Sharmit we will replace the tag with uh, ABCD. Okay, So for that, what we will do, we will put 1 here, and substring length we will select as 4 because TECH is 4 letters. Okay, so now this from first 4 characters will be replaced with ABCD. Okay, and then hit enter. So it is changed. How we will confirm that? So to display the data, what we will do, we will hit the command DSPDTAARA, then F4. Here you can put your data area name, data area 5, library Sharmit 1. Okay, and just hit enter. So here you can see that now the data area name is the data we have in this is ABCD Sharmit, because we have changed it with the help of CHGDTAARA command. So let's change it again and make it again the Sharmit, tag Sharmit. So for that you have to hit the again same command CHGDTAARA, then take F4, and after that you can put your data area name. So data area 5, library is Sharmit 1, starting position 1, and 4 characters, and new value will be tech. Hit enter. DSPDTAARA F4, data area 5, Sharmit 1, enter. So here you can see that now ABCD is replaced with tech. So we have installed this data in here in this data area. So now the jobs can easily access this data. Okay, so let's suppose if any job is running, so we can directly access this data area from here. Okay, and also in program we can access this data. Suppose we are generating any kind of order number or batch number that is that is always changing. Okay, so in that case we will use such kind of data area to store the temporary information and to manipulate the information again and again. All right, so this type of data area is called as user defined data area. So why it is called user defined data area? Because it is not a temporary data area, we can access it from different sessions also with different job number. Okay, so here we can access it, and if I go to this session B and hit the same command DSPDTAARA F4, data area 5, Sharmit 1, enter. So here also I can access the data because this is my permanent data area that I have created in library Sharmit 1, and it can be accessible from all session. As you know that each session have their own job ID. Okay, so we can access it from any other sessions also. Okay, so this is called data area, and local data area is something different that we will discuss in the upcoming session. This session is mainly for the user defined data area, in which we have create data area. Okay, and another command is DLTDTAARA, which is for deleting the data area. So suppose if you want to delete any the created data area, let's say if we want to delete the same data area 5, which is in library 1 Sharmit 1, and hit enter. So it is deleted. So if it is deleted, I will try to run the command again, DSPDTAARA F4, data area 5, and library Sharmit 1. So it shows data area is not found because it is deleted. Okay, and if I sign off my session, then also it will work. Suppose right now we have deleted it, but if it is not deleted and if we again sign in in our system, then also it will be there because it does not delete the object, or the object is not temporary basis. Okay, so let me show you this again. So what we will do, we will create one data area with the help of command CRTDTAARA F4. Then we can pass test, and it will be in Sharmit 1, star care, enter. Length is 5, starting position, length is 5, initial values is A, B, C, D, enter. So it is created. Now we will check DSPDTAARA F4, test, which is in Sharmit1, enter. So we have this data. If I sign off my machine and re-log in it, then also it will be there because it is not a temporary or local data area. So if I call display it again, DSPDTAARA F4 test Sharmit1. So my data is here. Okay, and similarly we can access it from here also. So DSPDTAARA F4 test Sharmit1. So it is here also, so we can access it from multiple sessions at a time. Okay, so this is how we can use a data area. So in this session mainly we discuss about what is data area, how we can create with the help of CRTDTAARA command, how to change the data area with the help of CHGDTAARA command, and how to delete the data area with the help of DLTDTAARA command. And if you want to display the data area records, then you can use the command DSPDTAARA. Okay, so these are the all related commands, all important command related to the data area that we can use to access and manipulate data area. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Share.